Assalamualaikum students, this is Najma Khan, your SST teacher, and I hope you all are fine and safe at home and you are learning a lot through our video lectures. Today we are going to revise unit number 3, Life in Another Country. In this unit, we have read a comparison of two cities. First one is Sialkot, which is in Pakistan, and the other is Sydney, which is located in Australia. Sialkot is a very old city, while Sydney is a young one. Yet Sydney has many tall buildings and shopping centers that Sialkot doesn't have. People in both the cities like cricket and other sports. Traveling in both cities is also very easy through rickshaws, taxis, trains and buses. Sialkot and Sydney have different climates. Sialkot has hot and humid climate, but Sydney has warm summers and mild winters. About 500,000 people live in Sialkot, mostly are Punjabis and Pashtuns. And if we talk about Sydney, over 4 million people live there. Mostly outsiders are living there, Christians and some Buddhists as well. So students, this was an overview or a revision for unit number 3. You can go through the video lectures again to get a more clear concept, or you can read the unit number 3 from book, and after doing so you will be making a fact file of both countries, Australia and Pakistan. You can add the ideas like country's full name, year of independence, the capital, national bird and national animal, national language, and more ideas like this. Make this fact file and send me on my email address, which is given at the end of this page. I will be eagerly waiting to check your efforts. Thank you so much.